Hi guys, out at Blaze Castle Estate in the woods. Gonna go for a walk with my toy grade Hummer. So we're gonna have to stay on the flat stuff, it can't go up hills. Just a walk in the trees or in the woods. I ought to mention that there's a lot of people on YouTube currently doing videos about trees. This isn't one of them, although I will put a link in the video description to the whatever it's called, the site, so you can donate some money and plant some trees. I can't remember what the target is. I think it's 20 million trees they want to plant. So I've no doubt I'll do something, but in the meantime I'm just going to go for a walk with my little car. It is the school holidays, so there's a lot of kids about, so I'll have to edit the video to make sure I don't have any of them on it, because YouTube's getting funny about any videos that have got children in them. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.